How to share screen in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share screen in Microsoft Teams. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply join a meeting or start a new one by clicking on Meet Now. And now here, once you are inside the meeting, then you simply have to click on the share button, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see these options like screens, windows, PowerPoint Live, Excel Live, and others too. So here, simply select the option that you want, usually a screen. And now here, once you click on the screen, the teams will start sharing it instantly. And you will see a small toolbar right here once you have shared the screen. So here you can simply scroll over to the any place and share it with the other members who are in the meetings too. And that's it. That's how you can share screen in Microsoft Teams. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.